Guys, so welcome back to this channel. Let's try to sing this song called Payphone by Maroon 5. Let's try it now. And I think this is not the hardest song I've never seen, okay? So I've never seen this song. So let's try the rap song in this verse called verse 3 Wiz Khalifa with the explicit words. Okay? So ang kailangan natin dito guys is avoid natin yung mga guys explicit. Dapat try not to avoid bad words like this F word and S word. Okay, let's try. This I will still be holding you like this. Nothing of good fairy tales are full of sweet. One more freaking love song. Say, oh no, I'm a faithful. Man, freak that seed. I be spending all this money while sitting around wondering about and you came on the front natin made in the bottom when you see me not understanding. All my cousin started pushing the button. Okay, this is the hardest song.